Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from a video in CapCut. So here I have this video which has music or audio and I want to extract the audio from this video. So what you need to do is just click on the video here on the timeline and swipe to the menu at the bottom until you find the extract audio option. This one, click on that. Just wait a second and audio will be extracted in here at the bottom of the video. And after that, you can just do some audio editing, like add some voice changer, adjust the volume of the music, add some fade in or out effect, or other things that you want to edit. So that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.